Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Word on Mac for free. Alright, let's begin. If you want to download Microsoft Word on your Mac for free, there are a few legitimate options depending on your situation. Microsoft Word is part of the Microsoft 365 suite, which normally requires a paid subscription, but some workarounds and alternatives can help you access it without paying. The easiest free method is to use Word online. Simply visit office.com and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free. From there, tap on Search Bar and search for Word. You can access Word and other Office apps in your browser at no cost. Now tap on Create Blank Page, and it will ask you to sign into your account. After signing in, you will be able to use Word. Word Online provides most of the basic features like typing, formatting, inserting images, and sharing documents, though some advanced features are only available in the paid desktop version. So that's basically how you can download Word on Mac for free. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.